Hi friends, today we will do the KodeKloud hands-on lab. The lab name is Working with Shell 2. This is the A course of the lab. Let's go. This is 7 course of the lab. Sorry. Let's go. Going forward, you would need to make use of sudo for running several commands. In such cases, run sudo before the command. Example sudo ls root. Bob's password is calaston123. So the sudo command is a command in Linux that we can use before commands to trick the system that this is the root user, or we can even call it the super user. It had a permission to do every command in Linux. Note: to avoid entering the password multiple times, you can store super user shell using sudo su. This keeps in super user mode until exit. So that means we do not have to use sudo if we just write sudo su. It is asking the password. The password is calaston123. I have typed the password, but the password is not showing on the screen because this is a privacy feature in Linux that if we type the password in the terminal, the password will not show. Like in the GUI, the password would show as dots, but in the terminal it doesn't show at all. In this super user mode, now we will create a tarball of a directory called python and compress it using gzip. The compressed file should be available at /home/python.tar.gz. Note: if you see a message like tar remove leading /member names, it is just a warning and can be safely ignored. So first we will write tar cf /home/bob/python.tar /home/bob/letter/snake.python. So this is the name of a tarball, and this is where we want to create it. This is the name of the tarball and where we want to create it, and this is what the files is containing in the tarball. We will use this command. It is just a warning. It even gives us a note. Afterward, compress the created tar file by running gzip /home/python.tar. We will also run that. It has compressed. Let's check. It is correct. Let's go next. There is a compressed file called eagle@dat.gz located under the /home/bob/bird/eagle directory. Extract it in the same location. Next we will write the command gzip /home/bob/bird/eagle/eaglet.dat.gz. it is correct. Let's go next. A file called KodeKloud code has been copied somewhere inside the opt directory, but Bob does not remember which directory he saved it in. Can you find it? So for that we will use the find command to find a file. We will find in the directory /opt and we will enter the name option, that's KodeKloud code. You can see it is /opt/test/test123/KodeKloud code. The option is here. Let's go. Find a location of the file called dummy service in the /ect file system and redirect its absolute path to the file located at /home/bob/dummy service. You can use the redirect operator with the echo command to save the answer to the file. Bob's password is KodeKloud123. First we will run the command find. We don't use sudo because we already are in the super user mode. Find etc name wrote service, but if I even use sudo nothing will happen. That's fine. It is /etc/systemd/system/wrote service. Next utilize the echo command to save the output from previous tab the file. So we will do the echo /etc/systemd/system/dummy service and we will and the /home/dummy file dummy service file. We will write the contents to this file. It has been written. We can also check it using a cat command. The cat command, the command in Linux that we can use to see a file. Look, this is the contents of the file. Let's check it. Find the file under /etc directory that contains the string 172.16.238.197. Type the answer using the absolute path in the file /home/bob/ip. Bob's password is KodeKloud123. We will do the sudo grep /ir IR option with that IP address and etc will append to this file. Let's check it. It is correct. Let's move next. Create a new file, add a path /home/bob/file with data.txt. The content of the file should consist of a single line of text that states a file in my home directory. A file in my home directory. Make use of the redirect operator. So we will append this text to this file with sudo text. We can check it. A file in my home directory. Let's check it. It is correct. Let's move on next. Run the command python3/home/bob/my python.tar.py and redirect the standard error to the file /home/bob/py error.txt. Your file /home/bob.py do not exist. Task is to capture the error message. Use the to operator. Execute the following command to save the output text file. We will use this command. The command is right. Let's move on next. Read the file /user/man/man1/tail1.gz and without extracting it, redirected contents to a file called /home/bob/pipes. We will run the command zcat/user/share/man/man1tail.1.gz and t/home/bob/pipes. It is do not modify this file. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the challenge. The lab is finished. Bye bye friends.